We are pleased to show you the 2018 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and miles per gallon. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. And it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.